Ava and the Magic of Saint Lucia. Once upon a time, in the beautiful island of Saint Lucia, lived a little girl named Ava. Ava was known for her love of nature and the sea. She was particularly fascinated by the local flora and fauna and the tales of the legendary pirate François Leclerc, also known as Jambe de Bois because of his wooden leg. One day, while exploring the lush Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens, Ava found a rare, glowing flower. The flower was said to have magical properties and was believed to grant one wish to the person who finds it. Intrigued, Ava decided to make a wish. Ava wished for the ability to communicate with animals. To her surprise, her wish was granted. She could now understand and speak the language of the animals. Ava was thrilled and spent her days conversing with the birds, fishes, and even the tiny insects. One day, Ava learned from the sea turtles that a group of pirates was planning to invade St. Lucia to find a hidden treasure. Ava knew she had to do something to protect her island. With the help of her animal friends, Ava devised a plan. The parrots and seagulls would keep an eye on the pirates from the sky. The monkeys and iguanas would create distractions in the forest, and the sea creatures would guide Ava through the sea to the pirate ship. On the day of the invasion, Ava and her animal friends executed their plan. The animals created such chaos that the pirates were completely disoriented. Meanwhile, Ava, guided by the sea creatures, reached the pirate ship and found the hidden treasure. Ava replaced the map with a fake one that led to a deserted island. When the pirates finally managed to reach their ship, they found the map and followed it, leaving St. Lucia forever. Ava's bravery and quick thinking saved her island from the pirates. Her story spread throughout St. Lucia, inspiring everyone with her courage and love for nature. And so, the story of Ava and her animal friends became a beloved tale in St. Lucia, a testament to the power of unity and the magic of nature. The end.